front of me is Nothing Phone 3A Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Wherever you decided when you're ready to record a message and add it, use this button at the bottom right corner. Click on microphone 1 to start recording, and when you finish, hit attach right away or tap on this red button to listen to your message first. When you finish, hit restart to redo it or attach to add it. If you want to add an audio file that's already on your smartphone, click on this plus at the bottom left corner. Select Files and tap on Audio at the top to look for it here. You can also look for it in one of those apps, or what most people miss, by clicking on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sections. Either way, tap on your file to add it. Now, let's get into adding video files. To add already existing one, use this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner and click on your video over here. If you wanna create one, click on those two arrows at the top right corner of this camera window. Switch to video, pick your camera and operate the zoom option. When you finished, you can record your video, and when you stop it, it will be automatically attached. If you can't find your video here and you don't want to record it though, hit Photos, look for it in your Gallery app, and when you find it, click on it to add it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!